Stuck for ideas for your Facebook and Instagram posting? Hate using the same template and not want to repeat the same content? Thankfully, Facebook has launched a new campaign ideas generator mini site along with organic post pack. In this video, I'll focus on the 24 organic post ideas prepared by Facebook. Let's learn now. First, tell your story about your brand and business. Give some background about your business or share how you got started. You can start with a warm welcome to our page banner and thanks to everyone who follow your business page. How we got started theme, where you can talk about the stories and business journey. Or our small business story to share any interesting stories and milestone of your business. The key to this type of content is brand awareness and let new people know about your business. Next is the ask your followers a question. You can create a poll by asking people to use different reaction to a single image or ask them to comment their opinion. Besides, Ask Us Anything is another good idea to create engagement among your friends. Usually, to limit the scope of the question, we can see many posts choose a specific field. How do you hear about posts basically is towards like a survey question. To increase the impression view, some admins even encourage people to tag their friends to the post. The third category is Relatable weekly moment. For your next post, try a day-specific post like asking how people find motivation for Monday, tag Tuesday, or have a great weekend. Together with hashtag and consistency, this will become a great way to slowly build your loyal fans. Don't forget to follow the trends and utilize the viral news in your country into your advantage. For example, for the weekend plans, perhaps you can use the durian as the main theme when reaching its peak season. The fourth type is speak to the seasons. While the original example given by Facebook is spring is here, summer is here, and winter is here, Malaysia is always summer is here forever. The more common examples in Malaysia will be festival seasons like Hari Raya, Chinese New Year, Christmas seasons. This type of posting can design and plan early as the period is the same annually. All the seasonal video ads from Petronas, TNB, Macy's already planned that a long time ago. Okay, now come to the announced sales and offers category. By launching a promotion, you can get followers' attention, create awareness, and inspire potential customers to take action. Instead of the ordinary sales and discount, I highly recommend launching bundle sales to generate more revenue. Check my other videos talking about product bundling strategy. Check the link in the description. Not to forget, can post back in stock or something new for you content to remind customers to check the new product or services. Moreover, you should say thank you to your audience. When reaching a target or milestone, try offering a quick message expressing your gratitude for their support of your business. To make it even better, you can use real testimonials, Google reviews, or customer feedback in the post. This will significantly increase the trust in your brand and good marketing tool. You can even share success stories or case studies of your customers to your audience. Good news is always welcome. The next point is to go behind the scenes. Followers enjoy witnesses the BTS content where they can understand how the real production is going or any rare footages. Be proud to recognize your colleagues and publish some interesting stories about your team in your company. Or post about fun fact about us content to make the content marketing more humanized and closer to the customers. Keep in mind, this content also helps during the consideration process in the marketing funnel. Every tiny bit also contributing to your brand. The last idea is to get your followers involved. Try inviting your followers to take an action that matters to your business. You can launch a giveaways, campaign or contest, leave us a review incentive to give extra discount or credit, or use the tagging function to spread more about your campaign. When done it correctly, it can become a snowball effect and gain a huge impression reach within a short amount of time. Okay, that's all about the organic post pack by Facebook. Do check my Twitter planner ideas video. It's part of the content marketing strategy too. Thanks for watching and remember to like this video. See you in the next video.